that is here principal the principal is given that rupees of principal is P is equal to rate of 4960. Okay, and that rate of interest is the value of R is given is 12 1/2%. 12 1/2% is equal to after serves 25/2%. Okay, but in the question is find the compounded half yearly. Okay, the compoundly half yearly is that the value of R is going on that R upon 2, that the value of R is equal to 25/2 is means 25/4%. Okay, then we write, and time is a value of n is given 18 month. 18 month in change in the year is 18/12 is year. Okay, 18/12 is a year. That is the after cancellation 3 6 ja and 3 4 ja, and then can the 3/2 is year. Okay, and again will condition of the compoundly half yearly. The condition of n is n going of 2n. Okay, there are two times of n. That is the value of n is equal to 3/2 into 2 is equal to 2 cancel, only 3 year. Okay, so this is the first value of n, this is the value of R, and this is the value of P. Okay, so you have find the amount. That amount formula is A is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 and power of n. Okay, that the value of that 4096 in bracket 1 plus R value is 25/4 into 100 in power of 3. Then after solution, A is equal to 4096 in bracket 25 1 is 25, there are 4 times 1 plus 1/4 4 is 16 the power of 3. Then we solve. A is equal to 4096 and after LCM is a 16 is a LCM is 16 plus 1 power of 3. The next step is 4096 into 17/6 in power of 3. It's mean 4096 into 17 into 17 into 17 upon 16 into 16 into 16. Okay, after calculation 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, and then we cancel 4 1 ja 4, 0, 4 2 ja 8, and 4 4 ja 16. Again there will be 4 2 ja 8, and 4 4 ja 4 5 ja 20, and there 6, and again 4 is a 4 4 ja 6, 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 ja 24, 64. They will multiply by the 8, and 8 6 ja 20, 6 6 ja 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So they will after cancellation 64. That the answer is 17 into 17 into 17. Okay, after multiplication is total is 4913. It's mean that amount is rate of 4,930 rupees. Question number 10. Question number 10 is based on population. The population of the place increased to 54,000 in year 2003 at the rate of interest is 5%. It means the rate of increasing is 5%. Rate of increasing is 5%. And first question, that find the population in year of 2001. That the first is find the population in 2003. Okay, and the given the population in year of 2005, in year of 2005 is 54,000. Okay, and find the population of 2003. Okay, it's mean, suppose let the population in year 2003 is P 2003. Okay, and after 2 years is the time that after 2 years, because 2003 and 2005 in the 2 year, that 2 year the population increase and be 14,000. It means that the value of amount. Okay, so that's right. Is A 2003 is equal to 54,000 is n for time is 2 year, and rate of interest, that the value of R is equal to 5%. Okay, and find the value of P3. So that write the A 2003 is equal to P 2001. P 2001 1 plus R upon 100 and power of n. Put the value is this, given the value is 54,000 is equal to P 2001 is 1 plus value of R is 500 power of 2, because 2 year 2001 to 2003 is only count 2 year, that 54,000 and P 2001 is 20. Okay, and after LCM they get 21 upon 20 power of 2. Okay, then we write 54,000 is equal to P 2001 into 21 upon 20, and 21 upon 20 is a, okay, and the find the value of P21. So this write the 54,000 into, transfer this value is 20 into 20 upon 21 into 21 is equal to P 2001. Okay, and after calculation is the answer getting 48,980, that the value of approximately. Okay, this is the solve the first part. Okay, now solve the second part. Second part is ask the question is second part. This is the first part is the find the population of 2003, and second question is asked in this question. Second is asked that the what would the population of 2005. It means 2005 is the calculate the 2005 is the population is 2005. This is the population of this is the value it 1, sorry, in 1 is a 3. Okay, so this is the value of 2003 is the 3. Okay, so then this is the value of 2003 is the principal, and you find the next amount from the based on that. The second question is this is the population of 2003 is 54,000. Okay, and find is the question of second. This is the question of 1. Find the population in year 2005. Year 2005 means a 2 year. Then 2003 to 2005 means 2 year. The time is 2 year. Okay, again is 2005 is equal to P 2003 1 plus R upon 100 and power of n. Okay, the amount of 2005 is the population of 2005, and P3 is a given that the population of 2003 is 54,000. Now they put the value of 54,000 1 plus and the 5 upon 100 is power of n. Okay, now 54,000 and 1 plus after cancellation is 20 is 1 upon 20 is power of 2. Okay, there's a power of 2, and solve. Now that value of A is equal to A 2005 is equal to 54,000 is after calculation is 21 upon 20 in power of 2. It means 54,000 into 21 upon 20 into 20. 1 0 1 0 and 2 0 will be cancelled. After the 2 1 is 2 is 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14 and 0 and 2 is 1 3 5. It means 135 into 21 into 21. 21 into is 21 is square of 21 is 441 into 135, and after the multiplication then the answer is 59. After multiplication 59535. It means the population in year 2005 is equal to 59,535. This is the question number 11. Okay, in the laboratory in the count the bacteria is a contained experiment was the increase at the rate of 2.5 means will be rate of interest rate is equal to that the value of R is 2.5%. Okay, now find the bacteria is the end of the 2 hour. End of the 2 hour means that the given the time is the value of n is 2 hours. Okay, and if the count was intently in 5,06,000 5,06,000 means that the principal is P is equal to 5,66,000 5,06,000. Okay, that the here in the given information. Okay, that and is to find the rate of interest that the P is A is equal to P 1 plus r upon 100 power of n. Okay, so that given the value of p is a 5,60,000 is 1 plus that the value of r is 2.5 upon 100 power of 2, because after 2 hours. Now we solve that the value of a, okay, that 5,06,000 is 1 plus 25 upon 1000 into 10. Its point is cancelled to 10. Okay, that we solve 6,600 is 5,600 is 1 plus 25 cancel, that is 4. Okay, so it's mean 1 upon 40 square. 1 upon 40 square. Next is 5,06,000 and 1 is 40. 1 upon 40 is power of 2. Okay, now next question, next step we have is write that the value of a means after 2 hours the increase the number of bacteria is the 5,06,000 is multiply 41 upon 40 and 41 upon 40. Okay, that after cancellation 20 to 20 is 1 and 2. Okay, then 4 1 is 4 cancel, 4 1 is 4, the 10, 4 2 is 8 and 2 4 2 is 4 6 is 64 and 20. Okay, means 12.5 is right. Now 1265 into 41 into 41 is a 1681 upon 4. Okay, and after multiplication these two numbers there the write here and write the multiplication 1265 into 1681. Okay, so first you multiply 1265 into here 8 5s are 44 is 8 6 are 48 and 4 is 52 is the carry 5 8 2 is 16 of 5 21 to 1 and 8 1 is 8 and 10, then 6 5 is 30 3 6 6 is 36 and 3 is 9 is 3 6 2 is 12 13 14 15 is 5 1 and 6 1 is 6 and 7, that is after multiplication 7 5 9 zeros and then multiply last number is 1, that the 1265 add 5 6 4 9 10 11 16 1 is 2 7 8 9 10 11 and 2 1 2 6 4 6 5 upon 4. Okay, and after the multiplication divide is the table of 4 is the 2126465 and divided by 4. Okay, so you write the 4 5s are 20 21 is 2. Okay, फिर 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12 and 6, then 4 1s are 1 and this number is 8 4 3s are 12. Next number is 2 and 4 1s are 4 how many times? 6 times, that will be 6 24 it's cancel. Next number is 6 number and 1 4 is 2, that will be 5 6 times 24 is 1, that point 0, 2 times, that the 10, 8 upon 2, that 0, 5. So that the answer is 5316.25 is a number of bacteria. The 5316.25 is the answer. Question number 12. A scooter browsed at the rate of 42,000. It's meant the is principal is rate of 42,000. Okay, this is the question number 12. The principal is the scooter was with the rate of 42,000. Its value distracted at the rate of n%, 8% per annum, and find the value of after 1 year. Find the value of after 1 year. It means the rate is equal to how 8%, but it is a rate of 8% and time is value of n is 1 year. Okay, according to question its value is which form is the descriptive form. It's the meaning of descriptive means decreasing order. Okay, that the at rate of 8%. Okay, to find the value of scooter after 1 year. Okay, that the formula is A is equal to P1 and R upon 100 power of n. Here the formula something is change. Change means the value is decreasing, that we write the minus sign. Okay, because value is decrease and before question is value is increase, that we put the positive sign. Now value of is a 42,000, 1 minus that the value of R is 8 upon 100 power of 1 year, n is a 1 year. Okay, now 2 4 is 8 is 50 and 2 is 25. So they are the 42,000, 1 minus 2 upon 25 is power of 1. Okay, now that the value of A is 42,000 is the after the solution is 25 minus 2 upon 25 power of 1 is 42,000 into 23 upon 25. Okay, now is the value of A and the solve 42,000 into 23 upon 25. First will be divided by 5. Okay, then the 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40 and 2 is so 5 4 is 20. Okay, again 5 1, 5 1 is 1, carry 3, so 5 6 is 30 and 4 that 0. That the value of A is equal to 1680 into 23. 1680 into 23. After multiplication 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 8 3 is 24 is 4 2 8 8 is 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 18 and 2 is 22 and 3 1 is 3 and 2 is 5. After multiplication by the 3 is 540 and one number will be cross to 0, 2 8 is 16, 1 to 12, 12 and 1 13 is 1, 2 and 3. Then after multiplication by the 2 is the 3360. then 04683. So that the A is equal to 38,640. It is the value of rupees. Okay, rupees. It's mean the value of scooter after 1 year. After 1 year is rate of 38,640 rupees.